Hey guys, Matt here, back with another video. Today I am doing the Whisper Challenge with my little brother here, Josh. Say what's up.
What's up?
And so yeah, we're doing the Whisper Challenge, and that is when one person wears the headphones, and the other person has to say something to the other person, and they have to try to guess what they're saying while wearing the headphones, blasting music. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome, and let's get started. Alright, so right now I'm about to play a song, and I'm going to blast it fully so he doesn't hear a thing, you know what I'm saying? And I already know in my head what I'm going to say, and it's very true what I'm going to say.
You don't have any friends.
Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me?
What?
Alright. Okay, that was just a test. Alright, here we go, for reals. Matthew is awesome. Matthew is awesome.
Awesome?
Yep.
Matthew is awesome.
Yep. Thank you for telling me that. I know. I already knew that already.
Huh?
I already knew that already.
Dude, you can't hear a thing.
Oh, I can't wait till I go. Alright, so now it's my turn, and this is gonna hurt my. Oh, stupid hat. Alright, go.
I love unicorns.
What? Louder.
I love unicorns.
I love
Unicorns.
acorns.
No.
I love acorns.
No. I love unicorns.
I love you.
No. I love unicorns.
I like corn. What?
I
Speak
love
louder.
unicorns.
I love unicorns.
Yes.
Yes, dude. I thought you said I love you. I'm like, it's bro, but I guess not. Alright, so I just thought of what I'm gonna say. It took me like 5 minutes, and yeah, let's get started. Ball is life.
Balls are funny.
Oh my god. Ball is life. Ball is life. Ball is.
Booty.
Oh my god.
Oh, basketball.
Ball
Ball.
is.
Ball.
Is.
Ballses.
Oh my gosh, this isn't even a word. Ball.
Bald. A ball.
Ball. Ball. Ball.
Ball.
Ball is.
It is.
Ball. Not ISIS. Ball is.
Ball is. Ball is.
Life.
Ball is life.
Yes. Finally, seriously. Half the words he said weren't even freaking real words. Like, what the heck are you thinking? Okay, guys, this is the last round that we're going to do today. It's been a really fun experience, funny, and let's make it count.
Wait, hold on, let me count.
It's good, it's good. Just say it, I don't care. I'm too beast.
I have a lot of earwax. I have a lot.
I have a love.
I have a lot.
I have a dove.
I have a lot.
I have a duck.
I have a lot.
I have a lot of luck.
I have a lot.
I have
A lot
a
of
lot.
earwax.
I have a lot.
of. I have a
I
lot
have a lot of.
earwax.
I have a lot of racks.
Earwax.
I have a lot of khakis.
Earwax.
A lot of earwax. You have a lot of earwax.
Yeah.
Very true statement right there.
Yeah.
You can make some candles out of those things right there.
Yeah, I always have a lot of.
Alright, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. That was really funny for me and him. Was it funny?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty funny. And I really want to do it again, so if you want to see it on part 2 later on, like in a couple months or a year or 20 years or 50 years, something like that, then comment down. Please drop a like, please subscribe if you're not, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.
and just levitate.